Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. There viewers, in front of me Canon Pixma TS 3350, and now I'm gonna show you how to print network information on this printer. See, here we have three wireless network buttons. Here we have the network connection button, smartphone pairing, and network information. So to print network info, just click on information button, and all network information about your printer will be successfully printed. So on the first page, we have the information about the printer settings. So what do we have here? So here we have the product name, RAM version, diagnostic result codes, VPS pin code. It's very important code if you wanna connect without the Wi-Fi network. If you wanna connect using the Wi-Fi direct, for example, interface information, and on the second page, oh no, it's the first page, but on the second one, it's here. On the second one, we have other information. For example, as you can see, I have no pin code, I have no IP code, but it's just because my printer is not connected to the Wi-Fi network. If your printer will be connected to the Wi-Fi, on this printed page, you will have the information about your IP to open the AWS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.